Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can make onion oil for hair. For this you required ingredients like parachute coconut oil and onion and curry leaves. So first of all what you are required to do is you need to take a pan and in which you are required to peel out the onion and just cut down it in small pieces. So I am cutting here the onion in small pieces. So here just peel out the outer part and use the small cubes of onion. Onion is very beneficial for our hair growth and also remove the scalp problems and give you a shiny and glossy hair. So here our onion pieces ready. So just add into a pan some coconut oil. So around 1 bowl of coconut oil is required. And add the sliced down onion pieces into it and make it into the boil. Now I am adding curry leaves that is help in giving you very shiny and smooth hair. Now you need to add all these three ingredients together and just let it boil for at least 15 to 20 minutes like this only. You can see here the color has been changed. Now our onion oil is absolutely ready. Just strain out the liquid in a clean bowl. So here you can see our onion oil is absolutely ready. You can transfer it in a container or a bottle and you can use on your hair. Thank you for watching.